Hello again, this is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit of the overview from the listening session of the TOEFL IBT test. As you know, this session is divided into passages, but today we're going to focus mainly on how to identify the type of question.
Hi, this is Priscilla, and while continuing, in the listening section you will find 3 parts. In each part there are 1 conversation and 2 lectures. The conversation lasts from 2 to 4 minutes, and you will find 5 questions. But on the other...
Okay, so let's get started. These questions may ask you about subject, topic, or main idea of the passages. How to recognize these questions? Well, you will see some questions such as, what is the subject of the passage? What is the topic of the discussion? What is the professor mainly discussing? Or what is the purpose of the talk? So what mainly these questions ask you is to explain why the speakers are having this conversation or why the professor is presenting material in a lecture. Some things that will help you is to pay attention to the beginning of the conversation or lecture, or adjust your initial idea based upon why you hear through the remainder of the passage. So to continue with this overview, our next type of question is detailed, which asks you about the specific pieces of information that are stated in the passages. Some question would be like, what is stated in the passage about? What is indicated in the passage about? According to the speaker, what does the professor say about? And why does the man suggest? Here are also some tips to recognize the detailed questions. Detailed questions ask you to answer a question about a specific point in the conversation or lecture. Some things that will help you is to listen for details that are discussed, not just overall idea, and think about different ways to read the details. Our next type of question is function, also known as a purpose question, which asks you to understand not just what the speaker said, but why the speaker said it. A question to recognize them will be, why does the speaker say this? Why does the speaker mean? Why does the speaker imply? And you will have to listen again to the part of the passage to answer the question. In this part, you may need to understand the purpose or motivation of the speaker, also the article or those about the surrounding topics. Here are some things that will help you. Pay attention to the replay part of the passage. Think about the context, the words surrounding in the text. Form an idea for why the speaker said what he or she did.
The next skill is about understanding the speaker's stance. This type of question asks about the speaker's attitude. This may be opinions or feelings related to a particular topic or degrees of certainty, or maybe if the speaker likes or dislikes something. How to identify it? Well, the instructions are the following. What does the speaker mean? What can be inferred about the speaker? What's the speaker's attitude or opinion towards something? In the 2 first questions, it is necessary to replay a part of the passage, but in the last one, it's not necessary. Generally, the speakers will not directly state the answers to these questions, but he or she will give you some clues. You must pay attention to these 3 things. First, the tone of voice. Second, the choice of the words. And third, the context of the lecture or conversation. The next listening skill is about organization. This is a really important part because it is necessary to focus on the main ideas. You will be asked to organize the ideas and establish the relation between those ideas and the main topic of the listening. The questions that ask for organization are the following. Why do the speakers discuss or mention something? How is information organized? What's explained or illustrated by the example of? Or click the correct color. The next question is about inference. In this type of questions, it is necessary to draw conclusions, focusing on the relation of ideas, predicting an outcome, and establishing the sequence between the cause and the effect for something. When it is necessary to infer something, you will find questions like the following. What will the speaker probably or most likely do next? What does the speaker imply? Or what can be inferred from something? careful. It is very important to remember to always take notes when you do the TOEFL listening section. It will be really helpful in order to remember some details needed when you are answering some of these questions. Good luck and thanks for watching.